How to become 5 times more successful in half an hour is a strategy I adopted over 20 years ago. I've taught thousands of people to do it since then. It changed my life and it changed their lives too. So don't question its effectiveness. Just do this and experience it for yourself. No matter what time you get up now, set your alarm to wake you half an hour earlier. You'll soon get used to it. In fact, you'll get to love it when you start to experience the impact it has on your life. This is what you do in that 30 minutes. As soon as you wake, drink a glass of water to rehydrate your body and especially your brain. Follow this with a cup of tea or coffee. The caffeine will make you more alert. Next, exercise strenuously for 5 minutes. Even if you go to the gym later in the day, do that right away. Running on the spot or up and down a few steps will do. The exercise floods the body with serotonin, dopamine and other stimulating natural chemicals. Then log in to this portal and invest 15 minutes of your time here. Watch 1, maybe 2 videos and watch them at least twice. Make notes if you need to, and then think about the times you could have used this in the past and will use it in the future. And finally, say out loud 10 times in front of a mirror and with passion and excitement, "I am success." It takes approximately 28 days for something to become a habit. Do this for 28 days, experience the magic, and you'll want to continue this for the rest of your working life. So, how about you set your alarm on your smartphone right now to get up half an hour earlier tomorrow and every day? Will you do that? Go on then.